Hi Scorpio, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and to another Love Bite. Scorpio, let's see what message wants to show through for you today. And these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. Scorpio, please keep that in mind. Take what works for you and leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Scorpio and send them the messages they need to hear the most for their love life. Thank you. All right, Scorpio, let's start your reading. Welcome back, all my subscribers. Thank you. Thank you for being here. And Scorpio, if you're new here, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. Ooh, the Sun card, Ace of Pentacles, and the Empress in reverse. Okay. Ace of Wands, two aces already with the Sun card. The High Priestess, center of my spread. Knight of Swords, Page of Cups, Seven of Pentacles, and the Six of Cups. All right, Scorpio, I have the Ten of Pentacles in reverse. Bottom of my deck, that's the overall energy. So maybe this is an Empress saying no. Somebody sees this Empress as their happily ever after and their happiness. They want to have this brand new beginning. They want to have this passionate new start. But I have a feeling this Empress is not giving in. And that's making the other person very, very, very frustrated. So let's see, Scorpio, I'm going to start with some dialogue message cards. Let's see if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be, and then we'll start clarifying the cards. So Scorpio and their person, spirit. Scorpio and their person. Scorpio and their person. I have a feeling they're even ready to apologize for maybe some fights you guys had. I don't know. Scorpio and their person, spirit. And if any of you are looking for a personal reading, Scorpio, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. And a couple more. Scorpio and their person. All right. Good to go, Scorpio. Let me just put my phone off so it doesn't disturb us. All right. The first card here, Scorpio, says, I want us to be able to talk through things properly. The only problem is, in your presence, all I seem to have vile, dirty thoughts about what I want to do to you. So somebody still has a lot of passion for this Empress. But this Empress seems a little, I don't want this. You know that I'm your divine true love and I'm always on your... What? You say that I'm your divine true love and I'm always on your mind. I don't understand how you could have... This is the Empress talking, yes. You say that I'm your divine true love and that I'm always on your mind. I don't understand how you could have then ghosted, ignored, and even blocked me so much over the years. There are times when you've denied my existence so much that I felt the pain might only end if I no longer existed. So this Empress has been disrespected, I think, in the past and is not interested, I think, in reconciling. Too many bad memories have been created here already. Why is the best fruit always forbidden? Damn, I know that we shouldn't, but I just can't resist you. The magnetic pull is just too intense in your presence. I can't stop myself. You're all I think about, the past, the good times, our crazy passion, the drama, and how I want you now. Damn. Love doesn't even begin to describe what I feel about you. There is no words to explain the depth of my feelings. I know that it's our destiny to be married and have children together. We are to be united in mission to serve God's plan, to spread love and light in this world. Our combined gifts are important in this world. I think somebody is trying to convince this Empress to maybe have a restart. Letting you walk away from me is my biggest regret. I should have fought for you and for us. Our relationship has suffered irreparable damage. This is the Empress saying no. There is more to this than I'm able to share with you right now. You are all I desire. All right, Scorpio, these were some of your messages. Let's start your reading. As always, let's start with an angel blessing card. Let's see what my angels have for you first. A blessing, guidance, advice, or a message. Peaceful. Well, somebody wants to bring peace back into the connection, I feel. But this Empress seems pretty chilled already. They're in their High Priestess mode. They intuitively have all the answers. And I don't think they want... I don't know. Let's see. So, Spirit, what's the Sun card? What's the Sun card with the Ace of Pentacles? Sun card with the Ace of Pentacles. Oh, somebody now sees this Empress as their happily ever after. Now they see, oh, this was my sunshine, this is my happiness. But because of their past selfish behavior, their self-centered behavior, they are kind of burdened because they feel, even if I go and apologize now, I don't think it'll be accepted. As much as now that they're realizing, maybe their intuition is waking up to say, this is the person, this is my happiness, this is the person I want to be stable with. But they're also recognizing that all their past deeds are weighing heavy on them now. They are not sure whether they will be given this new chance, but they want it very badly. Ace of Pentacles, Spirit. Ace of Pentacles. Yes, they feel they can achieve anything and everything. If they were double-minded earlier or they were keeping their options open, they don't want none of that. They just want to come back to this Empress. Yeah, Six of Cups. They just want to come back. They don't want to dilly-dally anymore. They want to show up in this Empress's life to say, hey, I've grown up, I've matured up, and I'm no longer that selfish person. This is what they want. Can we begin again? Stable. But now there's always a but, isn't there? So the Empress is in reverse. Why is the Empress in reverse, Spirit? Why is the Empress in reverse? Empress knows in their mind, if they do reunite with this person, this King of Wands person who's been very selfish, ignored them or whatever, they don't believe that they are capable of putting in the work. And the thought of reconciling, I think, stresses this Empress out now. Do I really want to go back to a place which doesn't grow? In fact, it depreciates. Okay. So, Empress, give me one more. I think the Empress is ready for new love. Empress is moving towards new love, and they are being open about it as well. I don't think they're keeping it a secret. I'm ready for something new. I want a new love. I want new love in my life. I want that stable, happy home or stability in a relationship. This past person, well, they never put in the work. They never put in the work. Maybe they were into third parties or something, which the thought of going back, I think, stresses this Empress out. And this Empress already seems to have taken off in a new direction. Look at this, Ace of Wands. Ace of Wands, Spirit. Ace of Wands. Ace of Wands. Ace of Wands. Maybe this was a long committed relationship or something between this past person and this Empress. Now they, I think, are ready for something new in their life. When they think back at the past, they realize now that intuition tells them, if I do go back to the past, it's not going to make any of my wishes come true. This person has been very immature, very rash, very player-like. They've been very, very silly. I mean, they were rude, they were rash. Both the knights are not my best favorite knights, right? Knight of Swords and the Knight of Wands. They're both very immature. Just don't suit an Empress, I would say. Maybe this could have been a committed relationship or something in the past. And, well, let's see one more. Yeah, this Empress feels that this person always emotionally kept them manipulated. So they're shutting down. Empress spirit, High Priestess. This High Priestess knows, they know, they have this intuitive knowing that it's time to turn their back on something which never worked, and they know that their ships are coming in. They know that the universe is going to give them something they truly deserve. They don't want to go backwards in their life, it seems. They feel that if I have another go around, it's going to slow my progress down. Something you know you can't unsee. That kind of a feeling. So, Knight of Swords spirit. Knight of Swords. Now the other person, I think they are feeling very foolish. They do want to rush in now to stop this Empress, I think, from moving forward. They want to rebuild, Spirit says. They want to rebuild. They're coming in quick and fast to kind of say something, do something, feeling they're losing their new beginning, feeling very foolish that, they allowed this Empress to get away. Now this person really wants to come out of, feeling that sadness and regret. And they feel that once this Empress leaves, then forever I'll just be looking back into a lost opportunity. This person wants to stop that. Okay. Page of Cups spirit. Page of Cups. Yes, they're manifesting healing. They're manifesting that maybe there's a slim chance here that maybe things can come back together. They're thinking of maybe taking an apology. Maybe we can start again. So, 7 of Pentacles spirit in reverse. 7 of Pentacles in reverse. But I think the Empress has decided, this never gave me happiness. This is a thing of the past. This is already over and out. This is like a closed chapter of my life. I am not interested in investing any further into this. 6 of Cups in reverse. This Empress says too much injustice has been done in this connection. And I have too many bad memories now associated with this past person. This Empress is already sitting on her chariot. They're already sitting on their chariot and moving quickly. One more spirit. Where's this Empress going? Okay, somebody is not going to be very happy though. Somebody is not going to be very happy though that this Empress is no longer investing into this connection. They are realizing that they want this Empress to float back to them, I guess. They're not happy at all. They don't want this connection to end. And they're realizing that after they've got to know that this Empress is not going to return, it's leaving them into a little bit of a hermit mode where they're realizing all their maybe past mistakes or something, still wishing and hoping that there can be some kind of return. Somebody from this Empress's life wants them back big time. I don't think this Empress is going to agree. Let me see. Anything else, Spirit, for Scorpio? Yes, there's no victory to be had here, especially where this committed relationship is. Spirit says right now there is no sense of victory. Somebody is going to be left behind and rejected. This Empress is going forward to find peace and harmony and happiness in their own life, or at least thinking about it. That's all I have for you, Scorpio. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.